Vande Mataram. Hello friends, I welcome you to my channel Courtroom Battles. My name is Dr. Tushar Mandlekar. I am a practicing lawyer in Bombay High Court since last 1 decade. It's my pleasure to introduce you to this new channel named as Courtroom Battles. If you are a student of law, if you wish to be a lawyer, you are welcome to my channel. Please come and enjoy this beautiful journey of evolution of law in India. Please subscribe to my channel, share it and enjoy this channel. Courtroom Battles. Welcome all of you. In order to build a career of a successful lawyer, the most important thing which is required to be kept in mind is patience. My dear friends, you need to keep a patience. Nobody can be successful overnight. You start practicing today and within a month or within a year you cannot be a superstar lawyer. So you have to keep a patience. It takes at least 10 years to build a name. It takes further 10 years to have some maturity in your arguments and framing the challenges. And then it really takes you to a next level where the honorable judges will hear you patiently. What is observed nowadays is youngsters, they intend to get success, fame, money immediately. Every young lawyer, he believes that within 1 year he should have a Mercedes with him. It is not like this. The money will follow, but you will have to work very hard for the 10 good years. So the tip here is invest your 10 prime years in becoming a good lawyer. These 10 years will create a base for you. Always remember that anybody in law profession is always a student till his death. You may become a judge later on, or you may become a senior counsel. But that does not mean that you have a knowledge of every field, every section, in every law. So you always remember that you remain a student throughout your life. Once a student, always a student. So you have to be a good student. In order to have a good grasping capacity, please inculcate habit of reading more. There are many lawyers who come from rural background. There are many lawyers who come from very humble background. But that does not take away an opportunity from you to enter into a higher circle. The only requirement would be study hard, work hard, research hard, and you can always compete on a level. The constitutional codes will always give you good opportunity to analyze yourself. To create a challenge, you need to read a lot and you need to research a lot. So make a habit of researching the things. Secondly, only good grades in examination doesn't necessarily make you a great lawyer. We have found and seen that there are many such lawyers who were not great students or scholars in their schools or in colleges. But over the period of time, they have inculcated great habits and great skills of arguments by chiseling their knowledge. So you have to chisel your knowledge. Make sure that knowledge is the only power a lawyer must possess. If you want to beat your opponent, apart from your conduct, your attitude, and your mannerism, the essential criteria is knowledge. If you have done good research, possibly you will have great knowledge more than your opponent. The case laws will have to be referred. The filing and the creation of challenge will always depend on a knowledge the lawyer possesses. After 10 years, you will yourself analyze that I am not the same lawyer which I was 10 years ago. When a judge reads your petition, he must realize the difference between a newcomer and a matured lawyer. It is also imperative to know that lawyers cannot advertise their work. So, the good work which is being conducted by lawyers will be automatically advertised through their clients. You may win, you may lose, but make sure that you have behavior with the clients and the people at large in society should in fact create a respect for you in their mind. There are most of the young lawyers which we have seen, they come out of the courtroom and if they get an adverse order, they immediately start speaking ill things about the judges. Never do that. The institution which creates you, the institution which builds you must be respected. This is the institution which will take you far away. This is the institution which will give you name and fame. So make sure that you do not speak anything ill about the judges. There is always a possibility that the honorable judges may commit errors. But you have a choice and you can approach the higher court challenging the decision. While doing so, you can always criticize the judgment. But make sure that the name of the institution and name of the judges is not spoiled when you come out of the courtroom. That this is a profession which takes years for a person to develop. There are no quick results in the law profession. But youngsters, they believe that within 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, they have become big lawyers. Even second generation lawyers, third generation lawyers, they are also not experts. So you always have to keep in your mind that you are a student of the law while practicing throughout your life. Never be scared of the court or a judge or the opponent. When you enter a courtroom, make sure that you complete your challenge. You argue thoroughly what you have prepared. If you are scared of your opponent, however big he may be, you will start losing the case even before you appear into the courtroom. You are a lawyer. You have created a challenge. So make sure you argue to the point, argue to the law. We have seen number of battles which are David versus Goliath. There may be opponents. There may be senior counsels who are your opponents. But it hardly matters. It is quite possible that the court may give more attention to those submissions made by the senior counsels. But the court will have to hear you also. So make sure that you argue with equal zeal and the competency, because that is the right time to show your skill. When you are pitted against the big opponent or the big lawyers, it is very likely that there would be some sort of sympathy regarding you. Honorable judges may give you some extra time. Honorable judges may hear you out of the box also when you are pitted against the senior counsel or the bigger opponents. But never be scared of. This is the only field which gives you equal opportunity. So you have a chance to score. You have a chance to show your skill. You may lose the case, but at the end of the day, the judges will remember your performance if you have performed well. There is no point in having negative thoughts in your mind. When you enter the courtroom, always have positive thoughts. It is often seen that the judges sometimes do not wish to hear the matter. They'll give you hints for the next day. Just watch the honorable judge, what he is saying carefully, and you need to interpret what is the meaning. If it's a plain question, please answer accordingly. If there is a suggestion coming from the court or from the bench, please grab the suggestion. If the court says that there is a rejoinder which is necessary now, or there is a reply which is necessary, please go down, get the time, and come on the next day. If the court is not inclined to hear your certain submissions, you may seek some adjournment, saying that, my lords, give me an opportunity, I come back with the case laws. If you do not have a luck, then possibly you may not get the adjournment. But make sure that if things are not conducive, be polite and get another date. There is no point in pushing yourself before the bench when the bench is not ready to hear you. Make sure that always go with the inclination of the bench. Things would be easier. Young lawyers, the moment they win the matter, they are high on sky. I have seen youngsters partying very hard on their weekends. I would not criticize anybody's personal life, but the issue remains, instead of wasting your time in going to clubs, partying very hard, or non-productive things, immediately start reading. Because there is always a next day, there is always a next opportunity, there is always a next case ahead. The moment you come back, please start utilizing your time for the next productive thing. For a lawyer, 24 hours is a very less time. But at the same time, for a good lawyer, 24 hours is a very sufficient and enough time. He can come back, he can read the matter, he can take down his notes, he can do the research and get the case laws ready by tomorrow morning when the matter is required to be argued in the constitutional courts. Because after some years, you will find that you are busy. But the busy lawyer can always find time. You will have to learn to divide your time between your profession, between your family and friends and foes. If you don't divide your time properly, the mismanagement of time will kill you. You must learn to organize yourself. You must also learn to respect the time. Punctuality is one of the best requirement of a successful lawyer. I have seen many senior lawyers strictly adhering to the time frames and going in strictly accordance with their timetable.
If an appointment is given to your client, make sure you reach your chambers. All those appointments which are being given needs to be respected. Because at the end of the time or at the end of the appointment, the client takes an image of a lawyer with him after leaving the chambers. So make sure that you are punctual. Make sure you are honest. And make sure you are hardworking. No one is perfect in this world. Similarly, no lawyer is perfect when he argues. After coming back from the court, please analyze yourself that what was the point which you have forgotten to argue, or what could have been a better argument. Please analyze yourself. When you stand yourself in constitutional courts, higher courts, High Court and Supreme Court, you have to place your submissions in a very limited time. In Supreme Courts, you hardly get 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. That's all. So you have to place your challenge. You have to submit your top 3 things. I have seen most of the senior lawyers preparing their brief and arguments. They always prepare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top 5 things. If these are your top 5 submissions, the court will buy any of them, then you are through. It is said, always keep alternative plan ready. So you will have to create your challenges with a thorough research. Make sure that you are well briefed, well read, and well informed. Misinformed lawyer, ill-informed lawyer, and uninformed lawyer will always have weak ground in the courtroom. Make sure that you are well informed. This is the profession which is very noble profession. And believe me, my friends, you derive lot of respect as a lawyer in the society. I have seen people offering me their seats. I went to US. In most of the countries, lawyers are great professionals. So building a career of a lawyer is not a joke. Let me tell you, this is something which requires 24/7 attention. I believe you'll get some of these tips worked on and make your career as a successful lawyer. I give my all the best wishes to each one of you. Please go ahead, crack your case. All the best. Thank you.